What's up, guys? It's Thomas for Rachel's Fan Alpha and Omega here, and my new train table has arrived. It arrived yesterday after school, and yeah, so taking a tour around the layout. We got the Masonville Middle School, and there's a Burlington Northern and a Santa Fe caboose. And there's that. There's some cars, mail, we got a post office, church, transportation terminal. We got a pizza parlor, Westside Pizza, a grocery store, hospital, Park Bowl, police station. You got Burger Zone over there. There's an airport over here. I got Walmart over there, a hardware store, little phone booth over there. And then there's Lamley Lee's Tire Service over here. And yeah, there's that Tim Hortons with that's connected to the terminal. And then here we have some containers. Pretty cool looking layout. So yeah, that's the layout. Like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.